Hello Rocketeers, today we are going to practice a Pikachu. We're going to start by creating Pikachu's head, and I was going to say a circle, but the shape is a little bit more square, around like a rounded square than, especially on the bottom, than the circle. So just try to get that first shape to just be as round as possible. You can change anything that you don't want later. We're going to do 2 ovals on either side of that circle, and those are Pikachu's red cheeks. And this next line that we're going to be doing is going to be repeated in a couple different places. So practice that motion. Looks like a wavy line. Okay. Next, we're going to do 2 circles for eyes. These are going to be colored in later. Take your time. If you need to pause the video to catch a step, take your time and you can rewind. Next, we're going to do Pikachu's ears, and they look very much like bunny ears. Very much like bunny ears. We're going to do 1 on either side. You can choose what direction your ears are going to point in. That's up to you. Next, I'm going to fill in these eyes. Actually, I didn't fill them in this time. I just put the round circles, but the bigger portion of the eye we're going to later color black and leave those little dots white. Next, we did a little tiny line for Pikachu's nose. And I'm going to go in and draw some dividing lines. The tips of these ears are black when we color, and I'm going to be adding those tips on either side. And remember that motion. We're going to start the body, which sort of resembles a trapezoid, the beginning of a trapezoid shape. But at the bottom, like I said, we're going to be repeating that wavy line. So I want you to just remember that motion as you make the bottom of Pikachu's body. And we're going to do that a couple more times during this drawing, that same motion. Okay. Next, we're going to add arms. These are really simple. Again, ovals, but not a full oval because the arm ends at the edge of the body. Nice. Next, we'll add these little feet, Pikachu's little feet. And again, I'm using that same shape that we used on the mouth and the bottom of the body, that same wavy line. Now the hard part of this will be the tail, so I want you to really slow down, take your time, pause where you need to, and draw each line 1 line at a time. But you guys already know Pikachu's tail looks like a lightning bolt. So you really can create the best lightning bolt you can if this is hard for you. But again, it's perfectly fine to stop the video, look at where you see lines, and copy. I'm gonna add a little dividing line there. And we are basically done with our Pikachu. That was really quick. I am going to color my Pikachu. I just can't resist. I have to. And you can color yours as well. Pikachu already has kind of the colors set out. We know that Pikachu is yellow. But again, this is art. You can be creative and do what you want to do as far as color. Maybe you could do Pikachu's little cousin, Swissy Doo, and Swissy Doo might be purple. And yes, I just made Swissy Doo up. Swissy Doo's not a real Pokemon, and the only Pokemon I know about, my favorite is Squirtle. I love Squirtle and I love Jigglypuff. Maybe we'll do a Jigglypuff another time. But I don't know any of Pokemon's cousins. Okay, so I'm filling that in. It doesn't really matter with the yellow if you trace out the outside, just because it's so light, you can't really distinguish the two. And I'm coloring pretty hard because I want to make sure I don't have any white spaces, and I want the yellow to be nice and solid. Color in those little toesy toes, okay? And then I'm going to do my tail, and then I'll start adding my features. Making sure that those features stand out. And remember not to leave any white if you are coloring. It just makes the piece look a lot more finished. Okay, cool. Got all my yellow down for the most part. There we go. Now I'm going to add, oh, there's only a little bit of brown in this picture, and that's right on the tail. And then the rest I'm going to do, I do need to use my red crayon, and then the rest will be in black. Okay, now I'm going to go in finally with my black crayon, and I'm going to add all of those little accents that will make this work stand out. How do you all like my Pikachu? I haven't drawn a Pokemon before, and I feel like I did okay, but it's not perfect. But I hope you like it. Pikachu looks pretty happy here, and that makes me happy. So now I'm going to go back in and trace over all of my original lines so that Pikachu really pops out from the page. Perfect. Nice. How precious. I'm going to go over the tail and then I'll be done. I really like how this came out. Very cool. I can't wait to see how your Pikachu comes out. What colors you chose to use, how big yours is. Can't wait to draw with you next time.